Hi. So what we have created here, it's a menu card to HTML converted. So the idea is that if we have a menu card or a restaurant or a small restaurant, right? So generally what they do is if they want to get a basic website or something get to be up, they will need to have some HTML knowledge, or somebody they will need to reach to someone to create an HTML page for them. But with this concept which we have here is like you can directly take your menu card and you can directly convert into an HTML without taking an external person's help. So all you need to do is select an image which has your like items and the pricing. Then once you click the extract content, it will extract all the contents which is there in the menu along with their prices. And then you have to click the generate HTML, then it will give you a HTML page based on that. So you can either download that HTML, or you can have a preview of your HTML which you created. So let me show you the code, and then okay, let me show you how this is running, and then I'll show you the code as well. So I'll close this, and I'll come here. Okay, so to run this application, let me do a Streamlit. So the UI is basically you like created using Streamlit. So okay, so we are going to Streamlit, create UI, and then done. Okay, so it's up now. So let me browse an image. Let me browse the same image because I have only one. Okay, I have another menu. I'll select this one for now, and then I will open this image. Okay, so now my image is up. The items are here. I took this image from Google. So now I'll extract the content from the menu. So this process, depending on the image and the like composition of the image, this process takes a bit time. So yeah, now I have all the contents and the pricing of it. Now I can go ahead and generate. I can check whether my data is correct or not, and then I can go ahead and create an HTML from it. So it is generating an HTML along. So it will create one single file which is having both the CSS and the HTML part. So later on, if you want to make further customizations, you can go ahead and create customizations based on your preference. Like you can keep them in separate folder or different files, or you can keep them in the single file as well. So let this complete. It's taking a bit time, but I hope this will be good. Okay, so now my HTML is also with me. Okay, I have this HTML. It has the items, pricing, and the this. Yeah, so I can either download or preview. So let us first have a preview. So you can see, right, we have a preview that this is our menu and this is the items. And okay, so let me just go to download HTML. Okay, my HTML is downloaded, and let me now open the HTML. So you can see, right, now I have the whole items in an HTML file. So this is the basic idea of how we are doing it. uh, Further over, we can do many more things, like we can also automate the process of deploying it to an index point of a site which is hosted somewhere. So that can be a use case for this. And yeah, this is the basic project which I had made into at the end of this session. And going to the code, so here I have used Cloud 3.5 Sonnet model. So let me just walk through the code from the main part. Okay, so this is our main. The main is having basically two what do you call sessions, or like what we need to is, one is for getting the main content of the menu. Second is getting the creating the HTML of that. Okay, so here we are getting the image, and then we are processing that image, and then we are creating our client using Amazon Bedrock. So this function is at the top here. We are using Amazon Bedrock, using our access ID and keys, which are stored in a secret file which is here. And then okay, then we are going to our first, we are going to the function which we have created to extract the menu content. Okay, so this is the function to extract the menu content, and once we get that, we have this generate HTML with that menu content. So these two functions are separate. We can also remove the part of getting the content first and then creating an HTML and directly create the HTML, but I thought that it will be better if we first we are able to review what we got from the image, and then we can go ahead and create an HTML from it. So that is there. And then yeah, this is the function to extract the menu content, and this is a way of prompting to like in JSON form to give it. like defining what type of media and all we are giving, and then I have told that you are an expert image analyzer, and you have to extract the prices image, and you have to keep them properly formatted. So this is giving us our what do you call it, content of the menu. And then this function, we are using this function to create an HTML out of it simply, and then using this we are getting it, and then from the response body we are getting the content, and then we are updating that HTML page on this menu. So yeah, this is it. This is my project which I had created, and yeah, this is different from the original idea which I gave. But today I went somewhere and I saw a menu, and I thought, why not put this menu online or create something for that? So yeah, thank you.